What a place. And some kids down there enjoying themselves. Welcome to Koromosho. At the further end, it's where the waterfalls is. Whoa! Koromosho, what are you trying to show me? Up there where we were. This is another breathtaking view. Cycling is fun. Hello again. We are at a garage. I got a slow puncture in my front. Oh, my front tire. And here is the front. The works. As you can see, my front brakes, rubber brakes, they are weird out, and I'm going to buy these ones. Let's go to waterfall. crazy crowd. These are my friends. That's in the mine. The road again. Let's go, guys. I'm following this tractor. And I have to overtake it. And I'm completing it. Too bad. Hata naingia. We are turning on the left. And I'm still following. Okay, let's go again. Now on the rough road. And I still got another 8 kilometers. Cycling is fun. Cycling is fun. I should avoid it. Good. I'm taking on a shortcut. That was a railway crossing. Climbing. Slow down another. Just like 800 meters to the waterfall. I'm really happy for this. Let's continue. Hello. It's like gliding. Oh my! Fun on its own. What's wrong? I'm hearing some noise. I'm on a slope, and let's enjoy this gliding. Oh man. No cycling, just sitting on a drop and glide. Wow. This is real fun. Yay! Wow! Now it's the gate. It's the entrance. Welcome to Koromosho. Finally, after that long cycling, I've made to Koromosho waterfall, and there, that's the river, and I'm walking on these rocks. These are the rocks, and that's the water which is falling on the which created this waterfall. And let me start from this top, then we'll head down there where we can see now the view of the waterfall. This is Koromosho. I don't know if you can hearing those chirping of the birds. Can you see their nest? Whoa, these are real welcome. Another bird there. No, at the further end, it's where the water falls. It's just come on top. Whoa, this is another wonderful created things got us mad. Hey, this nest and just chirping. Oh, can you see that one? Doesn't it a shot of its kind. Now this is the real fall. Hello. This place got a lot of visitors of different colors. Just consider viewing these views. This waterfall will go down there and up to that place to see the top view. Just at the top views. I haven't gone to the bottom. What's interesting in this waterfall is that you can get into the cave and you can see the falls in front of you. Isn't it epic? Whoa! Koromosho, what are you trying to show me? This is another masterpiece of God's creation. What? I don't know if that place we can have a swim. If we can have a swim, we could, and it's gonna be enjoyable. Check out these rocks. These trees. No way that I'm seeing this with my naked eyes. Wait, can you hit me up if you want to read this place? And this is the way down. This is the way down. Let's go. No, no way. Yeah. Check out the rocks. Check out the rocks. That's the way of come. We'll come down on this and back on this. Let's continue getting these trees growing on this rock. Getting down. This place is wet. I should be careful. I can't wait to refill for you to see. No way. Whoa. What? Koromosho. Check out this waterfall. Up there where we were. And this is where he is. No, you can fly. You got wings, you can fly. feeling wonderful. Thanks for coming with me to this place. Isn't it nice? Whoa. Let's continue exploring this fall. And this the cave. No way. Another view and the cave, and people are inside the cave. This is the cave itself. We're getting to pass through that place, as you can see those people, the cave inside, and the fall, and the fall, and the waterfall, and the waterfall. Yeah! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Yo! Hey! Yeah! Yo! Yo! I love what's to say. Koromosho. This is another breathtaking view. The cave, and the waterfall. Isn't it beautiful, beautiful? Magical Africa, Africa to the world. I'm beneath this rock. The cave. This is where you can come and create your own altar and worship your own God. We are going to explore to the fullest, and I'm heading to those rocks. This one and the other one, and we'll see now the upper view. Another view from this other side. And that's the way you've come to. There's the water hitting on them. And people are enjoying themselves. Those are like couples enjoying the view, the talk, the conversation. Now, can you see this awesome waterfall? This is magical indeed. me take charge. Move faster. Yeah, just relaxing here, enjoying the view of this water. It's amazing. Get out to this place. Let me enjoy the view. The magical me. Just feel the view. Yeah. This is a night. Guys, what a place. This place has made my day. What? This place is magical. This is one of the God took time creating this place. You can walk underneath. As you can see those people. What a place. And some kids down there enjoying themselves. The breeze down there is one of a kind. They are taking some pictures. This is memory. This is memory. This is memory. These are unforgettable places you ever visited. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll be glad sharing to you. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and also do share to your family members, colleagues, and anybody outside there. Thank you, and have a wonderful time.